Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy Extra to share with you. It normally comes in a box. This month it's in a bag. If you're not familiar, BoxyCharm and Ipsy combined. I've always been a BoxyCharm girl. I like that you get 5 full-sized items. They pick 2, you pick the other 3 based on a questionnaire that you fill out. The cost is around $32. You do get a discount if you subscribe for a longer period of time, which I did. So I believe I pay around $30 a month. I'm generally very happy with what I get in my bag. So today I'm going to share the contents with you, and what I can put on, I will. First, I'll talk about what's on my face already. On my brows, I have my Revant eyebrow pencil. This is their Vibrant and Defined pencil. I have mine in the shade Taupe. The only skincare that I have on is my under eye cream. I have been enjoying this. I got this in a past box. This is the Dew of the Gods Fila Nitro Caffeine and Retinol under eye cream. I have that on. I have the Essence Jelly eyeshadow primer on. The Nude Edition eyeshadow palette from Essence. Very, very simple. I just used these 2 shades. And then I broke into my Prime Prometics pencil collection that I have. Love them. This is the Mulberry pencil. So if you look close, I've got a sort of burgundy tinge going around the eyes. And I used the Prime Lash from Prime Prometics. Very nice tubing mascara. I brought in some more makeup to complete the face, but let's see what's in this bag. It's a cute bag with little lips on it. On the bottom it says Ipsy. Over here it looks like a signature from Marilyn Monroe. You do also get some paperwork. On the front it says blend the rules, turn up the color, take up space, make them look, because beauty isn't about impressing, it's about expressing. Love that. Inside there are sneak peeks. It talks about why it was a Marilyn Monroe bag. Apparently June 26th would have been the 100th birthday of Marilyn Monroe. I'm going to start with the skincare that I got. This first item is from the brand Dew Skin. This is the Air Angel Peptide Plumping Gel Cream. Retails for $34. Wrap your skin in a cloud-like cocoon of breathable moisture with this luxe acne-friendly face cream featuring firming peptides, amino acids, glycerin, and a moisture complex. This formula is clinically shown to hydrate skin for up to 12 hours without clogging pores, all while leaving behind a gorgeous satin finish. It's got a seal on the top that I can pop right here. It's that metal packaging that you have to be careful because it usually spits out more than you need. It's behaving. That's good. I just got back from my vacation today. Facebook is giving me a hard time. I'm trying to post some pictures on Instagram and Facebook. If you're not following me, at least on Instagram, I will pop it up here. I have some strange sunburn marks on my forehead. I'm assuming it's my wrinkles, so I gave myself a little bang haircut when I got home. This gel cream feels amazing. Very nice and lightweight, yet hydrating. While we let that settle in, I'll move on to the next product, which is from Formula Z. This is the Aura Energy Glowing Primer. Retails for $24. Get ready for a radiant skin and a glowing aura with help from this luminous primer, powered by skin-quenching hyaluronic Z technology, niacinamide, and prickly pear cactus for a dewy, radiant glow that hydrates, enhances makeup, and wears beautifully on its own. I feel like I've had products from Formula Z before. Ooh. I brought in a more mattifying foundation to see how that wears, because I am not one for super, super glowy skin. Looked a little scary when I first put it on. It looked like gold. But now I actually kind of like it. That's a nice glow. It does not look metallic. That settles, I'll move into the one product that I can't use today, and it is this one from Dew of the Gods. This is the Maui Glaze Dragon Fruit Oil Facial Cleanser. Retails for $30. Wake up your skin with this lightweight oil cleanser featuring a summery island blend of dragon fruit nourishing oils and hyaluronic acid. Helps melt away makeup, sunscreen, and daily buildup while replenishing moisture and leaving skin soft, balanced, and glowing. I have received under eye patches from Dew of the Gods through Ipsy, I believe. I have my under eye cream, so I can safely say I have enjoyed what I've tried from the brand, and this looks really, really cute, very summery. I just want to smell it. And it smells delicious, like sweet candy. I brought in my Tarte BB cream. This is their BB Blur Tinted Moisturizer because I know I still need sunscreen on my face. My shade is light. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I'll be right back. My BB cream is applied, and then I just continued giving the love to Tarte and put a little bit of their Shape Tape underneath my eyes. Mine is the shade Light Sand. I think that the matte BB cream went over the glowy primer very nicely. The next item in my box is a blush from Rare Beauty. This is the Stay Vulnerable Melting Blush in Nearly Rose, which is a true pink. Retails for $24. Meet the most natural looking flush you can't mess up. Made with a botanical blend to help soothe and nourish your skin. This unique cream to powder formula melts on contact with your skin for a truly weightless wash of color that lasts all day with a soft blurring effect. That sounds just like something I would enjoy. Oh, let me correct. The shade that I got is Nearly Apricot, which is a muted coral. Adorable little packaging. Mirror that looks beautiful. Feels kind of balmy. We'll see. Oh, that's my concealer there. All right. Before I go into the blush, I pulled out my Rare Beauty powder bronzer that I have. This is the Soft Matte Powder Bronzer in Warmed Up. My vacation was fantastic. I will pop up a few pictures for you if you're curious. Luke did great. We had one hiccup when we got there. Apparently I had booked the wrong room, which if you are touched by autism or have autism in your life, you know that change does not always bode well. He did great. I was more upset because the room was not nearly as nice as the room that we've had in the past that I booked every year. So I don't know what happened, but it will not happen again. Got to see my sister and her family, and my niece has a new baby that is just, is it 3 months? I think he's 3 months old. He's a doll. Got to spend some time with them. Luke just loves my sister. This blush is beautiful. I like it. I thought I remember hearing somebody, or some people even, saying negative things about this, and I can't remember what it was. Was it the longevity? I will have to let you know. I will not put setting spray on just to see. But upon application, I think it's beautiful. And the last product that I have in my box is this Naya lip liner from Toy Factory. Looks like I have two shades in here, Nude Protocol and Deep Seek. This retails for $40. Naya Lip is a smooth gel technical lip liner that delivers rich true color with effortless glide, infused with niacinamide, the comfortable formula that defines and shapes lips without dragging or drying, then sets for a long-wearing, smudge-resistant definition. Yes, please. The first shade is Nude Protocol, like a pinky nude, and then the second one is called Deep Seek. I'm going to use the Deep Seek, and we'll leave these alone and see how transfer proof they are. I love the color. The tip did break off when I was filling in my lips, but that could be a me problem. I am very rough. I'll go ahead and add some of my Prime Prometics mascara on the bottom, and then we'll talk final thoughts. Final thoughts on the products received. This Air Angel Peptide Plumping Gel Cream from Dew. Very happy to have it. Really like the texture, nice and lightweight. I would use it during the day. The Formula Z primer, this Aura Energy, was a little scary at first, but it really blended in nice. It did feel lightweight, and it really did give a nice glow. And if that is something that can help take down a super matte look from a matte foundation or BB cream, I think it is a nice option. I will put a note in the description box if anything weird happens throughout the day, but so far the complexion looks nice. The Dew of the Gods Maui Glaze Face Wash sounds great. I will use it. I definitely use all of the cleansers that I get, and I'm happy to have it because I have had other products from this brand that I've enjoyed. The Rare Beauty blush, I think it's really gorgeous. My skin does have a glow to it, which I'm assuming is from this primer. but the blush looks very blurring, very soft, very pretty. I'll let you know if it disappears, or let me know if you heard negative feedback about this, what it was. I've never tried it, but I'm happy to have received it from Ipsy, and so far, I like it a lot. And lastly, these lip liners from Toy Factory. They are a retractable liner, which I do prefer a sharpen liner for my lips. However, this has great value for keeping in your purse or for travel. And speaking of travel, a couple of the things that I forgot in my makeup bag is I brought my L'Oreal Faux Brow Pencil. Love that dual-pronged. I'll pop up a picture. I forgot a spoolie. So a couple of days in, I figured out as I was struggling to use my brow gel first. I use a clear brow gel. I did that first, waited for it to dry, and then did the brow pen. I just haven't done gel first in a long time, so I figured it out. The other thing I forgot was a sharpener. So my red lip liner for my red lip, which by the way worked out really well, I didn't have a sharpener. So I had to struggle with a dull tip. So this is nice to have, and let's check the longevity of these liners. Yeah, look at that. That is really, really nice. They are not moving. I will pop up the value of the box right here. Did I get my money's worth? Absolutely. The only thing that I got that is slightly questionable is the glowy primer, and that's a personal preference. I'm just now starting to embrace a little more glow on my more mature skin. I hope that this was enjoyable for you. I enjoyed trying on the makeup, giving you a little bit of updates about the vacation. It was wonderful. I am home, back to the real world. If you are interested in any of the products that I got, I will have them listed and linked in the description box below, including more information about Ipsy. Some of the links are affiliate links, so if you choose to shop with those links, I want to thank you so much because I do make a small commission and it helps support me and my channel. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment, even if it's just a heart to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.